Hi guys, Mrs. Verso here, and today we're going to review what you learned yesterday in math. So as you know, we introduced a new manipulative in math, and it is straws, and it's one way that we're going to represent numbers in math in our new math unit. So here I have a straw. Think to yourself, what does this represent? If you said 1, that would be correct. This just represents the number 1 because it's one straw. So now I'm going to add some more. What number do these straws represent? These straws, what do they represent? You would be correct if you said 4, because there's 4 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, it represents the number 4. Good job. Let's try another one. That much. How much does that much represent? Think to yourself. 10. Yes, it is a bundle of 10. So remember, when we have 10 ones, we can then bundle them together to make a group of 10. Okay, let me try another one. Oh, think to yourself, how much does that represent? So we have 2 bundles of 10. So if you said 20, you'd be right, because that's 10 and 10. So 20, this represents the number 20. Good job, guys. Okay, so now we're going to practice counting with our different representations with our straws. Okay, everyone? So first I'm going to start with this. How much is this? 10, okay. I'm going to start adding some more and we're going to keep counting. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job, guys. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. Starting with 10, 20, because we have 2 groups of 10. 21, because we have 2 groups of 10 and a 1. 22, 23. So now we're showing the number 23 because we have 2 groups of 10 right here and we have 3 ones. So that's why it's 23. Okay, everyone? So now that we talked about the 10s and the 1s, do you remember this representation from yesterday? Oh my, that's a lot of straws, isn't it? This is 100 straws grouped together in one big bundle. You can see I have all of my smaller 10s. So if I take off this big one, then I have all of my smaller 10s in here. I'm taking off my big one that's wrapping all of them. So you can see I can take it apart now and there's all of my 10s. There's all of my 10s in there. And I group them together to make 100. So this amount is 100 straws. That's a lot, right? Okay, so now we're going to practice counting with our bundles of 100 too. So that's 100. 100. So now we have another bundle of 100. So how much is this representing? 200, because we have 100 and another 100. That makes 200. Okay, let's practice counting. 100, 101, 102, 103. So this is representing 103. 103 ones. Okay, let's practice now and bring in some tens. 100, we're starting at 110. 120. 130. Good job counting with me. Thank you. Let's try again. How much? 110. 120. 100 and 2 tens. How much is that? You'd be right if you said 121. 121. How much? 122. 122. 123. 124. 125. Great job practicing with me, everyone. Thank you for practicing and thank you for saying the numbers with me. Now you know how to represent different numbers by using our straw representations. So these are called straws. We have our hundreds bundle, our tens, our bundles of 10, and our ones. Now remember, it takes 10 ones to make a bundle of 10. That's why it's called a bundle of 10. There's 10 in here. And remember, it takes 100 straws to make our bundle of 100. That's right. There's 100 in here. Thanks for practicing with me, everyone. Bye.